Farming isn't what it used to be. Forget slow tractors and long hours. Modern machines are fast, precise, and almost futuristic. Today we'll show you how farming tech is reaching unbelievable levels. Power meets precision. The OMC Hedgehog 2021. High-end self-propelled orchard, Hedger is engineered for demanding jobs. Twin-turbo, four-wheel drive, hydrostatic transmission, and full operator comfort for long, productive days in the field. Engineered for performance, the hay rake Inerosipa trake ensures fast and uniform hay raking across various field conditions. Its robust construction and smooth wheel operation make it a dependable choice for high-output farms seeking time efficiency and operational consistency. A fully automated harvester that scans, selects, and picks only ripe fruit. No guesswork, no damage, no downtime. Facing tough year-end conditions in Cotentin, farmers are turning to tracked harvesters for better grip and performance. This video shows a John Deere 614R with 4 tracks and a Lowers harvester, plus an impressive self-propelled machine custom-built by Verhoost Mark. The Rider 2 two-row onion harvester is a cutting-edge solution for modern onion harvesting. Designed for high efficiency, it can handle up to 70 tons of onions per hour, making it one of the most powerful and reliable machines in the industry. Massive pea harvesters at work. Watch how these machines sweep through the fields with speed and precision, collecting thousands of pods in minutes. Night harvesting is a game changer. With this technology, the cooler temperatures protect the grapes and allow for a more efficient harvest. Plus, automated sorting means no manual labor is wasted, ensuring that only the best grapes make it to the winery. It's faster, cleaner, and smarter. Uncle Joe might have to retire early. This machine's got him beat. But the Pilger, one machine, no stress. This setup is every farmer's time-saving hack. Just looking at that harvest is giving me heartburn. The Edgar Moses 1010 chili harvester could revolutionize chili farming with its dual spiral system. It boosts efficiency, reducing manual labor and minimizing crop damage. Perfect for faster, higher quality harvests. If you've ever spent a summer bent over weeding rows of crops, you'll understand just how revolutionary this machine is. No more backaches, no more wasted hours. Just clean, CO2 neutral precision. Efficient removal of excess foliage by this machine promotes better plant health and boosts overall growth. Never thought I'd get excited about a sprayer, but this ECOVAC has definitely changed my mind. Perfect for anyone looking to make orchard work easier and more effective. Sometimes we only realize the importance of tools like the post driver when we see the obvious results. Fences are not only straight now, but they're also sturdier, ensuring long-lasting durability in all weather conditions. For spring soil preparation, the professional soil mixer is the ultimate tool. It effortlessly blends frost-resistant and winter-hardy vegetation in just one pass, providing you with fresh, ready-to-plant soil. The real genius lies in the catch frame design. Those shock-absorbing pads and contour adjustments ensure fruit landing is soft and centered, reducing post-harvest defects drastically. For high-efficiency farming, the tractor's Fendt 820 Vario delivers everything you need. 205 horsepower, advanced transmission, and a spacious cabin. This tractor is engineered to optimize fuel usage without compromising performance, making it an ideal choice for diverse farming tasks. James says he can create a rainbow with the irrigation nozzle. But who's going to believe that? Maybe we should give it a try and see. This sorting line is truly a cost-effective solution for large-scale farms. With the moving mesh system, it accurately and efficiently sorts produce. Plus, with expandable modules, you can achieve multiple sorting levels for various types of produce. Time to eat our garden's produce. There's no limit to what a creative farmer can do, and this homemade garlic planter is proof. Turning a simple idea into a functional farming tool, this machine eliminates the need for backbreaking manual labor, showing how farmers can use innovation to make their jobs easier while boosting productivity. Efficient, powerful, and versatile. The EF Series flail mower doesn't just mow grass, it breaks down thick organic matter like potato and corn straw with ease. If you're dealing with large farms and need a reliable machine, this is a game changer. What I love most about the hand-powered mulch layer is how customizable it is. I can adjust it to fit different bed widths and mulch sizes, making it ideal for any setup. It's small enough to fit into tight spaces, but powerful enough to get the job done quickly. This Bolco Z643 potato harvester is a great example of improving the harvesting process. With its compact design and not requiring too much support, this machine is perfect for farms with limited land. Such a powerful harvesting machine. The Bose chili harvester is not just the enemy of those peppers. It also helps farmers save time and effort. Really worth checking out. You might not be able to guess how those briquettes are made without watching this video. The Difco fuel extruding machine transforms animal waste into briquettes, providing a fantastic alternative fuel solution that saves costs and helps protect the environment. It's fascinating to watch this machine work. Its speed and accuracy ensure each lavender flower is perfectly harvested without causing any harm. After collection, the flowers are transported to the factory where they undergo oil extraction, turning into a rich and fragrant perfume. Combining trenching, subsoiling, and fertilizing in one pass ensures nutrients are delivered directly to the root zone. This is crucial in mature orchards, where deep root development governs productivity and tree health. It used to take a whole village to harvest peanuts. Now one machine does it all while you relax. Had this existed in our grandparents' time, it would have changed everything. They'd call it a miracle of machinery. No frills, no fuss, just a basic system doing what it's supposed to do. Sometimes that's all you need. Forget about slow and tiring pest control methods. This sprayer gets the job done fast, keeping those bugs away. Nice try, Tom, but that's not what motorbikes were made for. Perfectly suited for limited field sizes, this machine helps create a well-prepared seedbed with minimal effort. The carrots go through a meticulous cleaning process that's almost like a spa treatment. First, the leaves are trimmed, and then any leftover dirt and stones are removed. Next, they get a refreshing rinse in a rotating drum, making sure every carrot comes out looking clean and fresh. I've never seen corn grinding look so easy. This machine definitely deserves the title of the unsung hero of the farm. Small but mighty, this mini tiller may be compact, but it's powerful enough to turn your soil into perfect tilth in no time.
Sure.
Picture this, a straw, a coconut, and voila. Nature is serving you right there. Rather than having to load each apple individually into containers, the apples are now placed on the conveyor belt, which smoothly moves them into bins, ensuring a much faster and more efficient process. Thank goodness for the haystack in front, or that Fiat 500 Special would have been airborne by now. Turns out farming can be a sit-down job. Creativity knows no bounds, and neither does the farmer's ingenuity. If today's machines blew your mind, imagine what's coming next. Like, share, and subscribe to Mega Hub to be the first to see the next level of farming innovation. We've only just begun.